Hey, TGIF. Thank God I'm friendly. What's going on today? Let's go see what David's doing. Hey, we got a 258 AMC out of an old Jeep. David's prepping it here. We're going to boil it, hone it, deck it, all that good stuff. We'll have this later. Okay, these are the next victims. 3.7 Chrysler, kind of like the 4.7 Chrysler. The seats fall out of them. So we're going to rebuild these. I'm going to take the seats out, put seats in them like I did the 4.7s. So here we got to get them apart first. Okay, I'm going to do this in the head machine. David's hogging the bench over there. I got these Lucky Biscuits there. One of them in Vegas. Just going to put them underneath the intake valves. Keeps the valve from opening when I pop the spring off. Take one off and then we'll go on to the warp 9.75. So I just get over the valve and I got a magnet. I just put the magnet here because the keepers will just go flying. Sometimes we captured them there. And then the retainer's off with the spring. Here we go. Hang on, people. Second head. I got the Lucky Biscuits in for you. We're going to start off with the exhaust. That's what we ended up with on the other one. Same drill here. I didn't show you something. First, I'm going to show you the difference here. So this is an exhaust spring off this. This is a damper, and it's external damper. Typically the dampers are on the inside of the spring. They don't put them on the intake side, only the exhaust side. Okay? Okay. Back here at this bench, I got to pull all the valve seals off. They're just a top hat seal. After I pull all these off, I'm going to pull the valves out. I'm going to pull the valve out and throw it in a basket. I'm going to put you guys back on the 4.2, 7, whatever it was. Okay, now we got one more thing to go. We got some galley plugs in here. In the ends, 4-inch galley plugs. Sometimes these don't come out. We'll have to heat them. Let's see how our look is. I'm putting $100. I'm putting $200 against them coming out. Okay, I'm gonna have to heat them. $200. I'll give you guys $400. Okay. Ah, shit. Looks like I won, bitches. Is that okay to say bitches on here? I hope so. God. Okay, I gotta heat them. Hang on. Okay. Change the benches. Damn it. I'm just gonna heat these just a little bit. They're gonna come out like butter, you watch. Remember they wouldn't come out? A little bit of heat. You gotta be careful here. We're working with steel and aluminum. That should do it. There we go. See? I think maybe we're cooking that glue out of there from the factory. They just come right out and heat them. Just a little bit. Doesn't take a lot of heat. And that's it. Now we can get that oil valley clean all the way up through the lifter, the cam bore. They need to be clean. There's gunk in there. So we'll get them in the wash. Something else here. This is like putting dishes in the dishwasher. We don't want to put it in here with all this crud in it. So I'm going to go around and scrape this thing for a second, because I don't want all that in my washer. See all that shit? Might as well get some of it off first. That way the washer doesn't have to, won't get so clogged up so fast. And I'll have to change the chemicals and pay $1,000. Yeah. So I'll keep scraping on this. Okay, so when they go, they're going to ride around with these 304 AMC heads. This thing spins. Like a little merry-go-round. It's David's horn a block. Wait, where's David? Where's he at? I don't know. There he is. He's away from his post. Come back! Come back! He's got this thing set on auto feed. We're taking it to the next oversized. We're honing it instead of boring it. See, the machine's about ready to shut off here. This is the load meter that tells us how straight that cylinder is. Every time that light blinks, means it's at the bottom. So we know where the taper is. And it's cutting pretty heavy. 60, you can see we're getting close to that red line. She's going to shut off. I promise. I hope it shuts off. Don't be too big, please. So this thing's on, I can't even follow it. Oh, it shut off. So now he's going to click this off and check it. Now he's going to see what he did. He's going to say, oh shit, we need 40s. What are we making, 20? 30? 30. So we're going to shoot for 30. I'm going to go check right now availability of 30 over pistons. And he's going to keep honing. Them heads are going to keep washing. And I'm getting ready to watch the live. The warehouse has 30s, so they're on the way. I'm going to rinse it off here. I got to blow it. We don't want to keep this open or stuff will rust after getting wet like this. Safety glasses, everybody. You only got 2 eyes. I'm going to test all the springs here with my spring tester. Install this 1580. We're looking for right at 80 pounds. That'll be the seat pressure, not the open pressure. And we're right on 80 pounds. I'll select the lock. And now I can test them all and just push this down the lock and see what we got. Then I'm going to measure all these valves before I clean them up. Exhaust is 272. And about 3/10, about 2/10 or a tenth of taper. That's good. So we'll clean that up and face it. This one's 273 and 3. Doesn't have any taper, so I'll measure all these. We'll put you on the hyperlapse speed drive, and here we go. Okay, all the springs checked out well, no wear on the stems. So now we'll clean up the valves with the glass beater, polish the stems, and we'll grind them. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try something here. I don't know if it's gonna work, but here we go. My seal came loose. I'm gonna put you on hyperlapse. I don't know how well you could see. I couldn't see. I gotta change the glass and the media. Let me show you what this stuff is. It's glass bead. It's just glass. It's ground up glass. It's kind of sparkly. It's real gritty. It's glass, not sand. Okay, now we gotta polish these up and then we'll get them faced. Okay, so now we're gonna polish them. Hey, I just realized my favorite YouTuber is live, Simply Jan Homestead. You should come check her out. She's on 4 o'clock Pacific time. She's back east. So check her out, Simply Jan. The description will be up here above my head, and I can't do a description above my head. Simply Jan Homestead. Check her out. She's a real nice lady. And the boss is too. Okay, so I'm going to butt the valves first. So we're going to address this wheel. Big Daddy gets down in here so you can see what we're doing. Tighten this. This is a diamond. We want to run oil on it so it stays cool. Turn the wheel on. You don't want to run the chuck at the same time. And I want to go real slow. I just fed this in a half a thou. Intake valve in, lever here to release the chuck, oil on the valve, turn the head on, and here we go. And we're cutting this at 44.5. The seat will be 45. It's called the interference angle. That came out real nice. We'll put you on hyperlapse now. So here we go. Hang on, people. Okay, last valve. These are the exhausts. We do those last because they're a little harder on the stone. But you can hear it still made a good finish. There we go. That'll do it. Okay, I think that's going to do it for this video. It's getting kind of late today, so we'll come back tomorrow and put some seats in there. Well, first we got to glass bead them, and then we'll get some seats in them and finish them up. Well, we probably won't finish them tomorrow. It's a lot of labor, and there's going to be a lot of interruptions. A lot of interruptions always on Saturday. But you guys be nice to each other, okay? Please. Thanks. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.